O, bore da. Croeso I sesiwn 2, 5 mewn 5. Welcome to session 2, 5 in 5. Where I'll be giving you some phrases to help you speak a bit of Cymraeg in work. So, this is about saying goodbye. Okay, ffarwelio gyda myfyrwyr neu ymwelwyr, saying goodbye to students or visitors in the college. Goodbye is simply hwyl. Hwyl. Hwyl also means fun, so it means you're having fun when you are saying hwyl. Also, goodbye is Hwyl Fawr, which means a big goodbye. So we can use hwyl or Hwyl Fawr, doesn't matter. Okay, nesa. You might be able to say to someone, I'll see you. Wela I ti. Wela I ti. And again, ti is the familiar form. So talking to one person, like a student or a close friend, wela I ti. So if you are speaking to a group or someone you've just met, like a visitor, so a group of students, wela I chi. So it's the difference between ti and chi again. So wela I chi. So you can stop there, or you could add tomorrow, fory. Fory. Monday, dydd llun. Tuesday, dydd Mawrth. Wednesday, dydd Mercher. Dydd Mercher. So you've got dydd llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher. Dydd Iau, dydd Iau. And Friday is dydd Gwener. So you've got dydd llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, a dydd Gwener. Nesa, next. And nesa comes at the end of the sentence. So if you want to say something like, see you next Monday, you say, see you Monday next. Wela I chi dydd llun nesa. Same with see you next Wednesday. Wela I chi dydd Mercher nesa. Again, wela I ti, see you. Wela I chi, see you. You could say next time. Tro nesa. Tro nesa. And remember that nesa goes at the end of the sentence. Wythnos is a week. Wythnos literally means 8 nights. In Welsh, we've got 8 nights in a week. Wythnos. Next week could be wythnos nesa. And wers is lesson. Next lesson, wers nesa, or lesson next. So you'd say, see you next time. Wela I chi tro nesa. Or saying to one student, hwyl, wela I ti wythnos nesa. So once you learn these basic words, you can chop and change them. So see you next time. Wela I ti tro nesa. See you next week. Wela I chi wythnos nesa. Talking to a group was the last one, and wela I ti tro nesa, talking to one student. See you next lesson. Wela I ti wers nesa. You could then show your appreciation for people in your lesson or your visitors. Diolch. Diolch. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr, which literally means thank you big. Thank you big. Thank you very much comes next. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. So you've got diolch, diolch yn fawr, diolch yn fawr iawn. Okay, mae'r alligator. fun phrase for you, see you later, or see you soon, ta-ta, tan toc. Ta-ta, tan toc. Very catchy, lots of T's. Ta-ta, tan toc. So your turn. Eich tro chi. Ydych chi'n cofio? Ydych chi'n cofio goodbye? I'll see you tomorrow. To one student. I'll see you next Friday. To a group. I'll see you next Monday. To a group. I'll see you next week. To one student. I'll see you next time. To a group. See you later, alligator. Thank you very much. Okay, a few minutes just to have a look. And then here are the answers. Dyma'r ateb. Okay, iawn, here are the answers. 1. Goodbye. Hwyl. O. Hwyl Fawr. And 2. I'll see you tomorrow. 1 student. Wela I ti yfory. And 3. I'll see you next Friday. To a group. Wela I chi dydd Gwener nesa. I'll see you next Monday. To a group. So the chi form again. Wela I chi dydd Llun nesa. Number 5. I'll see you next week. 1 student. Wela I ti wythnos nesa. 6. I'll see you next time. Wela I chi tro nesa. 7. See you later, alligator. Remember all the T's? Ta-ta, tan toc. Ta-ta, tan toc. Ta-ta, tan toc. And 8. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Felly, diolch yn fawr for watching the video. A wela I chi tro nesa. Hwyl!